Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error code. That is, the error code is 0x80070005. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to, at the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, turn it on, and then click on sync now. If you receive any error, click on sync now multiple times. Once you see this tick, go to time and language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here. Select the right country and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box and then click on wsreset run command. This will reopen Microsoft Store and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset store. Now for this, type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store, click on app settings, scroll down, click on terminate first, and then click on repair. Once the repair is done, now you can open Microsoft Store and then check. If that does not work, click on reset. After the reset, you can open Microsoft Store and then check. Still not working. The next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache folder. Now for this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open AppData. If you don't see AppData at the top, click on View, select Show. Put a check on Hidden Items, open AppData folder, open the local folder, open the Packages folder. Scroll down, find Microsoft Windows Store. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click, delete it, and then relaunch store, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. So type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Find Microsoft Store install service. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click, then click on restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and again click on restart. Once this is done, you can reopen store and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run this Powershell command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command. Type in Powershell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and during this process it will install all the Windows default apps, and if you see errors like this in red color, just ignore it. Let the process complete. Once this is done, you will see everything red. Then you can relaunch store and then check. Still not working. If you're trying to install the game or application from store, in that case, if you're able to go to this screen, you can go to downloads, and if you see your game or application over here, trying to install it from here. You can even go to library. If you find the application or game in the library, you can try to install it from the library and then check. And if you're able to go to downloads, if you see check for update, you can click on check for update, and if you see update all, update everything and then check. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall store. Now for this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell and make a right click and run as administrator. Make sure that you open PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the first command, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. Now copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Copy this command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. and after the system restart you can check. Next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl and then click on it. Go to Advanced tab, scroll down, make sure use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all four are checked, and then hit apply. Apply is important. Click on apply, click on OK, and then relaunch Store. Still not working, update Windows 11. So for this you can go to Windows Update, click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then open Store. Still not working, use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. This is for Windows 11 users. Now click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish, and then let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then open Store. Still not working, the last step is to reset Windows 11. Now before you reset, create a backup, because you will lose all the data and application installed on the computer. You have to start everything from scratch. So create a backup if you can, and then create a backup and then go for reset, because you will lose all the data and application on the computer. Now for this you can go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see reset this PC, click on reset PC. First option is keep my files, which will remove application and settings but keeps your personal files. Remove everything will remove all your personal files, application and settings. So you can select the option which you want, and then you can go for reset. Follow the on-screen instruction over here. You can go for cloud download or local reinstall, and then click on just follow the on-screen instruction, reset your computer. And after the system reset, you have to set up your computer. You have to start everything from scratch, and then you can check. You can open Store and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this Microsoft Store error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.